Yeah.
Why is he back here?
Yeah.
Good morning, everyone. We're live from Mitchell's Plain School of Skills. We are saying no to perpetrators being back at school. An alleged perpetrator of sexual violence is back at the school since Monday. And we're here to say we will not be silent. We will not allow perpetrators to be amongst our children. And Mitchell's Plain School of Skills, children are vulnerable. This is not on. This is not okay, Department of Education. We will not be silent. If you do these things, we will not keep quiet. Things are swept under the carpet, but like Colors Association, we always said Colors Foundation, Ashika, move you. What do we say? Silence hides violence. We will not be silent. We will not be silent. We will, even if it's just a handful of us standing here today, but we stand here for the children. We stand here for the vulnerable. We stand here because an alleged perpetrator of sexual violence cannot be teaching at Mitchell's Plain School of Skills. Department of Education, this is insane. This is irresponsible. He cannot be back at school until the court case has been finalized. Yes, we want him removed. We want him back under suspension. He cannot be teaching our children. We stood outside here this morning. We hear our teachers are swearing at these children. No. Absolute. Yes, get in your effing class. I know, teachers, this is hard. Teaching is not easy. But, so anyway, we didn't come here for that. We came here to say we're not unhappy. We are mad. We've had enough of this, that the department places a teacher back at school that's an alleged perpetrator of sexual violence. His matter has not been concluded at court. He must be removed. The Department of Education needs to do something about this. Yes.
Justice must be served.
Yes. Justice delayed is justice denied. Justice delayed is justice denied. No justice, no peace. No justice, no peace. No justice, no peace. No justice, no peace. Yes. Thank you, everybody. Please go online, sign the petition. We want to send the petition to WCED to say that we've had enough. We've had enough. Thank you.